Y'all see this? It's a cat in my engine. It's my cat. I don't know how the hell she got in here. All I know is that I started my car and my engine was shaking. And I'm like, man, what the fuck? I open the hood and it's my motherfucking cat in my engine. She finna fuck my car up. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Ah, fuck. My boyfriend is at work. He worked far away. He told me to call the fire department to try to come and get the cat out the engine. So I'm just sitting here chilling, waiting on the fire department. The fire department is here. Oh my God. I hope she's okay though. Cause I have my car running for at least like 5 minutes.
Well, it wasn't really that cold this morning.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Look at me here. One leg through.
Come on, princess. Stop! You motherfucker! Shut up! Your ass just climbed up underneath the fucking car. I almost killed your ass. The fuck is wrong with you? Shut up!